This is a 2024 Chevy Camaro. It's the LT1, the 6.2. We're going to remove this rear muffler in the back here and leave it all stock up front. Put a nice Magnaflow in there, some different tips. Get back to you here when we get it all put in. Okay, so it looks a little different now. We've got the 4.5 inch double wall tips on there. That really fills up that gap. It's got a nice clean look to it now. Put the Magnaflow mufflers in there. It takes a little bit of extra fabrication to make them go in there sideways. Left it all up, or stock up front there with a factory X pipe. Should give it a nice clean sound to it. Let's see what it sounds like. Pretty good. We weren't looking to wake up the dead, so it just gives it a nice mellow tone sound.